Welcome to another video. As you can see, we've got all the panels laid out in the booth, ready to go into the colour. We're going to get the fans spinning in a moment and blow them all off and get them decontaminated from the dust from all the hand sanding and prep work. We just want to be a little bit more informative today on the process and what we do before the paint, and also about the paint coatings themselves. So all of the panels have all been hand sanded with a block, all hand blocked, check them, to run out any final little ripples, like level them off with a long block with using 320 grit. Then we've guide coated back up and we refined it to 500 disc, 600 grit hand prep on the foam back paper. So they're now all ready to be, like I say, blown off, checked for pinholes, and then we can start the paint process. We'll warm all the panels up, we'll give them a we'll actually put the oven on bake and give them a pre-bake. While the oven's on bake, we get all our paint activated. It's going to have 3 coats of direct gloss. In the colour is Mercedes, it's a period colour, middle red, or Mittelrot, as it comes up in German. There'll be 3 coats of that. Then that's technically a finishing layer. It's a decorative layer. It's got all the durability, no for corrosion. But on top of that, we're going to then flow coat them with Novel CSR clear coat to give it extra stability to UV rays. All the dust particles. So as you can hear, the fans are now spinning. So all the panels have been blown off. So we're now going to give it a 2-stage degreaser. The first stage is we use a spectral waterborne degreaser, and then we'll follow on with our spectral solvent degreaser. The idea of using 2 is the solvent is a very powerful, great cleaning, but that can leave behind the salts from your fingerprints, the salt from moisture from your hands mainly. So yeah, firstly waterborne, followed by solvent. So how we do this is we don't just spray it on and let it dry, we spray it on and then wipe it off. And hopefully pump the bottle up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over with the waterborne degreaser, keep rolling the cloth round, trying to catch and remove any contaminants that may possibly be sitting on the surface of the panel, and I will follow behind with the solvent. Then we've got to just mix up some Isolator primer and just get these little spots isolated off. Right, all the panels have almost been panel wiped off, and we've actually found, before we had covered this all off, but we found 2 sneaky pinholes in the boot lid and 1 in the bonnet. So we're just quickly mixing up a little tiny bit of spectral glaze actually, and I'm just going to stop them up. But it's better to find them now than when we start putting the paint on. The oven's now there with the bonnet, so we'll just get this in, and then we'll be back on track for some Isolator. time, so now we can get off the pre-mate. What are you mixing up there then, Alan?
A bit of hybrid epoxy primer, but in isolator form.
Lovely. So how do you make that isolator form then?
So we've got 3 different hardness, you see. Where are they? We've got hybrid filler, hybrid anti-corrosion, and hybrid isolator. So the isolator is literally just the isolator hardener and the epoxy, and then you get your isolator out of that.
So there's no thinner that go in there?
No thinner in this one at all.
Right,
It's just
okay.
2 parts.
How do you know how to mix that up?
So we've got the TDS here off the Noble website. Comes all in weight form, which makes it a lot easier.
Lovely.
Going for 400 millilitres here. It's 272 grams of primer, and then we're now going to pour out 174 grams of isolator.
What's the flash off time for that isolator then, Alan?
15 minutes after the painting, and then you can put your decorative layers on.
Lovely old job. So now we've got the isolator flashed off. Well, it's almost at the end of its flash off period. Alan's getting the direct gloss activated, stirred up thoroughly. So are you stirring in the hardener or the thinner now, Alan?
Thinner now.
Right. Lovely. So that's its final stir up now, because we pour the activator into the paint, and then we stir that thoroughly and mix so we know the paint is fully activated throughout, and then we pour the thinner in and then give it a final stir again, and then it's ready to run through a paint strainer and into the paint pot. Right then, so we're now going to mix up some CSR.
Nice new tin.
Lovely, lovely. What, almost 45 minutes?
Yeah, 45 minutes flash on.
Lovely, so we're at the end of the flash off point now. So we'll let Owen mix this up. We'll see what they look like after 3 coats of direct gloss. As you can see, they're coming out nice and clean. hopefully you enjoyed the footage we managed to capture yesterday throughout the paint process. This morning the panels are still looking lovely. We're looking forward to now seeing how all of our little shots and videos have all come together in the final edit. We're now going to take these panels out of the booth and crack on with some more work. Yeah, please, just quickly, guys, if you're watching the videos and you're enjoying them, that'd be great if you could click the subscribe or share or do anything just to help boost our channel a little bit. We're now 1 month old on the big wide world of YouTube. But yeah, that'd be great, and see you later.